How to set daily data usage limit on Android phone. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set daily data usage limit on your Android device. Many Android devices allow you to set data limits. For that, you will need to navigate to the settings of your device. First of all, scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you will be taken to the settings page. Now here, you will need to look for connections option. These settings may be different depending on the device. If in case you didn't find this particular option, you may also tap on the search icon at the top right and then look for data usage option. Here, since I could see the connection option, simply tap on it to open it, and then inside it, here you'll be able to see data usage option. Simply tap on it, and here you'll be presented with this section. Here, scroll a bit down until you locate this mobile option. Make sure the toggle at the right side of this mobile data option is turned on. Now, you will need to simply tap on this billing cycle and data warning option. In some devices, you'll also be able to see data warning or limit option. Here I could see billing cycle and data warning. Simply tap on it, and now inside it, here under this mobile data option, there you'll be able to see set data limit option. Simply tap on the toggle button at the right side of it and then turn it on. Once you turn it on, you'll be able to see data limit option popping up. Simply tap on it. Now enter the desired limit in MB or GB. Here by default, GB is selected. If you'd like to change it to MB, then simply tap on the GB and select MB from the list. Once doing that, tap on the set option in order to set the data limit. After that, you will see you have successfully set data limit on your Android phone. Also, if you'd like to get data warning alerts, then tap on the toggle button at the right side of the set data warning option and then tap on this data warning. Now here you can enter the data limit for which you would like to get the alerts. After that, tap on the set option in order to set it. Here, if you'd like to reset the limit daily by manually adjusting the cycle each day, then you can tap on Start Billing Cycle On option at the very top and then select the date from here. Once selected, tap on the Set option. Now, by adjusting all of these settings, you will be able to set data usage limit on your Android device. This will help you to manage your daily data consumption and avoid exceeding your plan's limit. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.